Consider a overhung drum rotating at a constant angular velocity. Let's add two small masses on the radius as shown, which are exactly 180 degrees apart. This does not result in any unbalance but results in an unbalanced couple. This is because unbalance exists in two planes separated by a distance L. The unbalanced forces as we see are 180 degrees apart and each is of magnitude m omega square r, where m is the unbalanced mass and r is the radius of the drum. Find the tensile or compressive force experienced by the bolts on the static flange, where the bolts form a square pattern of sides D. The idealized bolt stiffness diagram is as shown. Since bolt is an axially loaded member, it is considered equivalent to a linear spring. The equivalent stiffness of top and bottom bolts is 2K each. The couple or moment produced by the unbalanced forces is given by either of the force multiplied with separation, or T equals m omega square r into L. At the instant of representation, which is exaggerated for visualization, the couple stretches the top bolts and compresses the bottom bolts. Assuming the bolts to be equally stiff with stiffness K, the resisting couple or moment is given by 2kx into D. Balancing the moments about the center axis, we get the equation to be as follows. Therefore, we have spring extension or compression X as shown. Load supported by each bolt is given by Kx. Note that compression and tension keep alternating in bolts as the unbalanced couple keeps rotating. This results in fatigue of the bolts. The vibration measurement needs to be taken axially and radially.